In this video, we'll look at the big ideas of Chapter 7. So to begin this unit, we spent a lot of time talking about similar triangles and congruent triangles. We learned how to prove that two triangles are similar, for example, using angle-angle similarity or side-side-side similarity. We also proved two triangles are congruent. And of course, we can take advantage of the fact if they are similar or if they are congruent. Because if they were similar, let's say, then we know that corresponding sides of the two similar triangles are proportional in length. So we knew the relationships that existed once we knew when two triangles are similar or when two triangles are congruent. And in addition to corresponding sides and corresponding angles, we saw that if two triangles are similar, there's also a relationship between their areas. And I've stated the relationship between the area. You basically have to square the scale factor. And once we're very comfortable with similar congruent triangles, we solve some problems involving similar triangles. So first you show that the two triangles are similar, and then you can use those ideas to solve the word problem. And once again, using our understanding of similar triangles, we're able to develop or understand the definition of sine, cosine, and tangent. Okay, so sine is defined as the ratio of the opposite side to the hypotenuse. Cosine is adjacent to hypotenuse, and tan is opposite to adjacent. So using the primary trig ratios, you can solve a right triangle. You can solve for the lengths using the acute angle, and you can solve for the angles using the ratio. Okay, so it's very powerful. Once again, if you have the angle, you can solve for the ratios. If you have the ratios, you can solve for the angles. So using that idea, we're able to solve a lot of the problems involving right triangles. So be careful, some of those problems are double right triangle problems, but nonetheless, you use the primary trig ratios and you should be able to answer the question. And of course, draw a diagram for yourself to begin with to really help you with that process.